What's happening, fam? It's your boy, birthday boy, 40 years OG today. Having shot some content, especially with my 357 bulldog, which I love so much lately. So I'm gonna shoot these potatoes that we left in the oven last night. Figured why not, if we're gonna waste some food, we might as well waste it proper. Anyways, here we go. See, I'm pretty positive it'll go through all of them. I'm hoping for some good slow-mo potato explosion. Alright, y'all, check it out. Yes, sir. Definitely a hit. I am a little high. Got him. That all the way through and definitely took the potatoes down. Oh damn, I shot my bench up. Darn it. That's a bummer. Oh, it must have been like that, huh? Snap. Alright, y'all, check it out. My bench took a hit. Look at it. Isn't that crazy? Sucker's powerful. Well, luckily I built this from recycled material, but it kind of shows the power of this sucker. I already shot it through this plywood before, over here. But dang. Anyways, y'all, hope you enjoyed it. Hope y'all are loving life and staying happy. Peace out.